Almost all of us would agree that a table saw is the most used centerpiece of home or woodworking shops, thanks to its versatility and widespread use. However, the most intriguing question is, how do we select a table saw that best fits our budget, necessity, and convenience? These questions become even more inevitable as the market is full of thousands of table saw, each claiming to be the best. Doesn't it sound confusing? Well, erase your confusion since we have prepared a list of best table saw and the most comprehensive buying guide for you in today's write-up. Our discussion on the table saw includes its types, basic factors to focus on while purchasing power tools, accessories, safety features, and convenience. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best table saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best table saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the DEWALT DWE 7491RS 10-inch table saw. DEWALT has been leading the power tool industry for many decades, and the DW7491RS table saw is no exception. It is not my random thought. This table saw has enough power and offers you an increased rip capacity on the market and the best mobile stand you may have. If you don't want to count on other features, I believe its increased rip capacity is enough to put pressure on other manufacturers to enhance their capacity. Manufactured in Mexico, DWE 7491RS 10-inch table saw provides the unbelievable portability that compels a woodworker to choose it for his trade. You can move it from job site to job site easily. It does not need much pressure to shred hard and softwood. It has a 15-OA high torque motor. A dust port is to minimize your work, so you don't have to do much work for cleanup. It can take up to 32-inch. I won't deny that one of my biggest concerns before buying this table saw was its mobility and ease of setup. I have found the saw and stand super easy to set up. I may say the easier stand to set up. Plus, the rack and pinion telescoping fence system accurate fence adjustments. The fence stays parallel to the blade. It also features a board storage system. Next on our list is the SawStop CNS 175 TGP 23610-inch Contractor table saw. SawStop 363 Contractor saw provides you a unique and smooth finishing of your work. Its working efficiency will make you wonder. Whatever you want to get done by it, you can go for it. Whether it is to build a deck in your backyard or remodel your kitchen cabinets, you can place your trust in this Contractor saw. This Contractor saw is second to none in giving you the fittest and furnished look of your work. It has a professional T-glide fence system that can operate smoothly, measure precisely, and ensure lockdown without deflection. You can feel risk-free if you own it. Its safety system makes it unmatched. It minimizes a possible life-changing injury to a mere scratch. How the blade has a small electric signal. So, when your skin contacts blades, it changes signals. Then it takes less than 5 milliseconds for the blade to stop. Eventually, the safety system activates and protects you from possible injuries. Coming in at number 3 is the JET 708675 PK 10-inch table saw. JET 708675 PK Zacta Saw Deluxe 3HP is the juxtaposition of comprehensive and convenient features for which it has become tremendously famous among woodworkers. It offers an upgraded poly V-belt drive system for the harmless performance of all applications. You can continue your work in a well-organized and competent way because it has a supremely organized dust collection system. It has a quick-release riving knife and integrated arbor lock, which ensures your safety. For stability and smooth blade positioning, it has a wide stance heavy-duty trunnion. Also, the trunnion, I think, is what ensures a nearly vibration-free operation. The Zacta features a large 29-42 inches cast iron table, which helps you accomplish any large job, and you will find the trunnion under the cast iron table. What feature will amaze you more is that it has a well-built storage drawer to keep all the accessories within easy reach. Plus, an industrial magnetic on-off is to protect the motor from power fluctuations. It also bars unexpected restarting and offers a power failure. At number 4, we have the Skill Selling Table Saw. The Skill TS630700 stands out as a top contender for those seeking a reliable and affordable table saw for job site use or home workshops. Its 15-amp motor provides ample power for most common cutting tasks, from ripping lumber to making precise crosscuts. The 10-inch blade is standard and capable of handling a good range of material thicknesses. Of the most significant advantages of this model is its integrated folding stand. This feature makes transportation and setup incredibly convenient, especially for users who need to move their equipment frequently. The stand is sturdy once deployed, offering a stable platform for the saw, which is crucial for safety and accuracy. While it may not possess all the bells and whistles of higher-end professional saws, the Skill TS630700 delivers excellent performance for its price point. It's a practical choice for enthusiasts, woodworkers on a budget, and contractors who need a dependable portable saw. Last, number 5, Best Hybrid Table Saw Shop Fox W1837. This Shop Fox hybrid table saw is an excellent example of a saw that combines the portability of a contractor saw and aspects of a cabinet saw. I find that at 2 HP, it can deliver enough power while the maximum speed sits at 3,450 RPM, which is a bit lower than you can find elsewhere. However, don't let those two aspects put you off considering this table saw. The motor is an induction motor that generates more power than you expect. I find it's more than capable of delivering clean cuts even though it's relatively tough wood. Changing blades is simple, and the model also comes with anti-kickback pawls, so there is no need to worry should things jam. For precise cuts, you will find the precision fence easy to work with, and it locks into place both at the front and rear with ease. The cutting depth on this model is also adequate, measuring in at 3/1/4 at 90 degrees, before it drops to a respectable 2/1/4 at 45 degrees. Overall, this model has a sturdy cabinet and base that can absorb many of those vibrations, while it also incorporates a huge dust chute. Add in the optional dado inserts, and you have a table saw that covers all the bases. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.